Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe, wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel, for giving me lots of love. So, this is your extended love reading. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it will resonate with you, but if it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. I have already uploaded your main reading. You can have a look on that too. So that you can get more messages which are there for you, Aquarius. So I told you in your main reading that there is someone in your life who is your with whom you are having a spiritual connection, Aquarius. Okay, this is a spiritual connection with whom you are dealing with. So something is ending in your life here. Death and rebirth is taking place. This is your lovers is here. Okay, they see you as someone who is very fiery, okay, very healing energy, but they are having confusion. Okay, they are having confusion about what is happening in Aquarius life. They don't know because your guards are up. The Seven of Wands energy is here, so your self defensive mode is on against this devil energy. Okay, because maybe this person is very insecure or possessive or controlling. That can be a possibility here. That's what I'm getting here. But in this I'm going to see why there is devil here. But your guards are up against this kind of person, against this kind of toxicity. And this is someone who is your soulmate, either twin flame, but this is someone with you with whom you have spent many past lives together. Okay, this person is coming towards you to give you Ace of Pentacle, marriage proposal, maybe a commitment or something which you can touch. Okay, and a cup which is full of emotions. Okay, Ace of Cups is here. There is some kind of celebration which is happening here, Aquarius. Three of Cups and Three of Pentacles both are here. So they want to, collaborate with you here. The Sun is here, so this is the happiest card in the tarot deck. 0222 was the recording reading time. They are rushing at a very high pace here because you are the wish fulfillment for this person, and this is the karmic justice which is being served in your case. Okay, so now let's start your reading and let's see what are the clarification of this reading, and let's see what are the messages. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to do the clarification for this reading for the Aquarius. Please help me out in that. Okay, let's start your clarification. But first, let me shuffle my card. They see you as someone who is very, financially stable, grounded. But they are having confusion here, Aquarius, with the moon. They don't have clarity about what is happening in your life, because right now this person see you as someone who is very, they see you as someone who is very financially stable, grounded. Queen of Pentacles, you are in your energy and you're saying that I am financially abundant. Maybe you working and you're financially stable, grounded. So they are having confusion here, and this is your love here. Again, lovers is here, lover is here. Okay, so now let's start the clarification. Can you see, in the main reading I told you that this person is in hangman position. Okay, they're feeling like in hangman. They're focusing on the things that already happened here in the past. They're feeling sad, remorse, guilt. Okay, but they are using intuitions. Okay, they are using intuitions. Okay, let's start. So let me clarify why there is moon here. Why there is moon here? Please clarify me why there is moon here. Why there is moon here? Please clarify me, moon. Page of Cup and the Page of Pentacles. So maybe this person will come towards you here with a small message or small initiative about hi. Yeah, lovers. Again, I'm not going to take it. Your love, the lovers is here. So they are going to come towards you with a small initiation, because they are having confusion. Okay, they don't know how to approach you, how to get the clarity about what is happening in your life, Aquarius. And why your guards are up? Seven of Wands, Empress, Seven of Swords, and Ten of Swords. Okay, that's why your guards are up. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Five of Wands. With this person, there was a lot of fighting, drama, competition, and this is someone who give you a lot of pain, deception, lying, cheating, manipulation. That's why your guards are up. Right now, you are in your Empress mode. You are in your Empress modes, and your guards are up. Seven of Wands energy is here, because this person is someone who break your heart in the past many times. They give lot of pain, deception, lying, cheating, manipulation, play mind games with you. That's why your guards are up. Yeah, that's why your guards are up. Because you do not want to deal with this lying, cheating, manipulation kind of energy with this person here. Okay. Why there is devil here? Please clarify me, devil. Please clarify me why there is devil here. See, Six of Cups, Eight of Pentacles, Three of Wands, Two of Cups, Nine of Cups. Bottom of the deck, I'm having King of Cups, Five of Swords. With this person, you were having lot of conflicts, Aquarius, that is for sure. Then this is someone from your past. Six of Cups, a soulmate. Someone from your past is coming back here. Okay, devil is being clarified by Six of Cups, Eight of Pentacles, Three of Wands. You put lot of time, effort, energy, money, maybe your energy, your love, your time, everything waiting for this person. You know, Eight of Pentacles is very, hard working energy. You put a lot of efforts in this relationship. Okay, but now you are single, happy, abundant, enjoying your singlehood. Nine of Pentacles is pre-Empress mode here, because you want Two of Cups from this person. Okay. Clarify me Six of Wands. Why there is Six of Wands? What is Six of Wands? Please clarify. Why there is Six of Wands? Right now you have to keep temperance, Aquarius. Temperance is here. Patience is required. Queen of Wands. Okay. See, King of Wands and Queen of Wands both are here. This is a power couple. This is someone with whom you are destined to be. Why there is Six of Wands? Page of Wands and Two of Wands. So this person is, right now you have to keep patience, Aquarius, because this person is making a decision here. They're deciding, they're making the decision here. Bottom of the deck, I'm having King of Pentacles, the Chariot, and the Hierophant here. So this is someone who wants to move in a forward direction with you here. And I told you this is someone who is your divine counterpart. King of Pentacles is here. Okay, so right now you have to keep your temperance. Okay, you will get success here, but right now you have to keep your patience. Okay, because they are deciding, they're making a decision here. Okay, clarify me Six of Cups. Clarify me Six of Cups. Wow. Bottom of the deck, I'm having again, see, the Sun and the King of Pentacles. Can you see how beautiful this energy is? So I know this person break your heart in the past, and because of this person, this is someone who broke your heart, and after breaking your heart, you went into resting and rejuvenating yourself. But this is your wish fulfillment, and they are coming towards you to give you Ace of Cups. Can you see? Ace of Cups is repeating here again. So they're coming towards you to give you emotional fulfillment here. They want to offer their heart, Aquarius. They are your wish fulfillment, and right now you are resting and rejuvenating yourself here. Bottom of the deck, I'm having again the sun, and this is beautiful energy here. Can you see the sun is here? 1010 is here. So maybe there was a karmic cycle which you are completing with this person. Okay. I need to make some kind of space here. Okay. Okay. Let me clarify Ace of Pentacles. Why there is Ace of Pentacles here? This is what Seven of Pentacles is here. So Seven of Pentacles, bottom of the deck, I'm having Seven of Cups. This is what you seep, you reap, Aquarius. Okay. This is the efforts you put in this relationship, and now it's the time to get the rewards. Basically, Seven of Pentacles. Maybe you can see lot of number synchronicities of 777. That can be a possibility here. Yeah, you will get the clarity. Ace of Swords is here. Okay, Ace of Swords, Ace of Pentacle, and Ace of Cups. Three aces in your reading. You will get the clarity because you are waiting for this person to come towards you, to give you what you deserve, and they're coming. Clarify me, star. Clarify me, star. Why there is star here? Clarify me, star. Clarify me, star. Wow. Wow. Okay. Can you see this? Seven of Wands and the Devil. Seven of Wands and the Devil. So your guards are up, Aquarius. That's why the star is here. Your guards are up. You're not ready to open up against this devil energy, against this toxicity. You are saying, no, I'm going to protect myself. I do not want this energy. And you're protecting yourself. That's beautiful. That's beautiful because you're protecting yourself here. You're not opening up, basically. Clarify me, King of Wands. No, man, no. Wait. Clarify me, King of Wands. Why there is King of Wands? Three of Cups. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Ace of Wands, Hierophant, and Death. See, I told you, whatever situation was there in the past, that is going to transform. Maybe either you are married with this person, or you were already committed with this person for a long period of time, but they are having the thoughts about you. Yeah, right. The tower is happening in your life and in this person's life. And what is ending, Aquarius? Indecision, because this person was unable to make a decision with the Two of Swords. Now they're going to make a decision here. Okay, see, Wheel of Fortune and Three of Cups. Celebration is coming towards you, Aquarius, because the Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor. That's beautiful. They're going to make a decision here because Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor here. Okay. Let me make more space. Okay. Now let's see. Why there is sun? Clarify me, sun. Wow. Whenever in my reading the sun and moon comes together, you are dealing with your spiritual connection. You're dealing with someone who is your soulmate or your twin flame. The sun and moon both are here. Okay. Maybe you are going through with a period where you cannot sleep. You are spending sleepless night, Aquarius, or this person is spending sleepless nights because this person took long period of time to come towards you. The Knight of Pentacles is here. But now they are coming towards you. Can you see double sun? Sun is being clarified by sun and Knight of Cups. This is beautiful energy. 1444 is the recording reading time. They're coming towards you with lot of love, romance, offer, lot of love is coming towards you. Maybe this person loves to wear goggles. Goggles, I'm getting goggles. Goggles, black goggles. And they have tattoos on hand or on neck, here on the neck. And they love horses. They love red color, and they always bring flowers to you whenever you both meet. This is someone who loves to wear jeans more. Jeans or t-shirt. They use gel, gel. I'm getting gel. Okay. To They use gel basically to hold their hairs. That's what I'm getting here. So yeah. Now let's see. Clarify me Ace of Cups, Two of Pentacle, Queen of Swords, Hierophant, and Six of Pentacle here again. So this person, Six of Pentacle and Six of Pentacle, double energy. So this person was thinking that you are not going to accept the cup from them, Four of Cups. They were juggling a lot to give you this offer, because this person knows that you are not going to accept the cup from this person, Two of Pentacles, that you are not going to accept the cup. And Queen of Swords, Hierophant, and Six of Pentacles. They know that they were juggling that you are not going to accept the cup, and they also know that you want equal amount of give and take, and you want marriage, something which is stable, grounded. You do not want anything which is casual. Okay, you want commitment and all. So that's what this person already knows. This person already know this truth, that you want equal amount of give and take. Okay, clarify me Six of Pentacle, Moon. Moon and the Page of Swords. So this person is keeping tabs on you. I told you in your main reading also, Aquarius, and maybe in the extended also, that this person is keeping eye on you through social media apps, and they were having confusion about this thing, that you want equal amount of give and take. They took long period of time to come in a conclusion that what you want. They even don't know that what you want, and now they get to know that after getting keeping eye on you, that you want equal amount of give and take. They took long period of time to come on this conclusion here. Okay, clarify me Lovers, Star. Wow. Clarify me Lovers, please. Okay, the Lovers has been clarified by the Star, the Hangman, the High Priestess, the Chariot, and the Tower. Maybe right now this person is feeling restricted, stuck. I told you, and maybe there is a eight of Swords energy and the Hangman energy in the main reading too. This person is feeling trapped in their own mind thoughts, and they're thinking and contemplating a lot. But there are new hopes, new desires. The Star is coming for you, Aquarius, because you're hoping for new hopes, new desires, new beginnings are coming for you. And this person will move in a forward direction after the Tower card. This is the divine intervention, sudden and unexpected changes which are coming for you here. Okay, after this Tower, the things are going to change. They're moving in a forward direction here. They're going to move, and they're going to use their intuitions here. This is beautiful, because they are listening to their intuitions, and that is beautiful. Okay, now I don't think so I need to clarify anything, but see why there is Justice, King of Swords, Nine of Swords, and the Queen of Cups. Because you love this person a lot here, Aquarius. Okay, and you spend sleepless nights because of this person, and they know this truth, that you love this person. Okay, You love this person. Can you see? You spend so much sleepless nights. You love this person a lot here. That's why the karmic justice is being served in your case. You stand, bottom of the deck, I'm having 9 of wands. You were standing straight that I'm not going to give up. I am fighting. I am still fighting here. You were saying like that. Okay. Knight of Swords is being clarified by Queen of Pentacles, and bottom of the deck I'm having strength. So they're gaining the strength to come towards you here, Aquarius. They're coming here at a very high peace. Okay. So yeah, this was your clarification. Now let's see what is the advice. What is the advice for Aquarius? 8 of Wands. Communication. Communication is coming towards you, Aquarius. That is sure. That is sure. Here the communication is coming. 6 of Swords. You will come towards the calmer waters. Okay. What is the justice? Justice is going to be served in your case. Okay. This is the karmic justice which is going to be served here. Can you see? Justice. Justice is going to be served here. What is the advice? Please give me the advice for the Aquarius for this reading. What is the advice for this reading? King of Pentacles. 9 of Pentacles. 7 of Pentacles. 10 of Pentacles. Lot of abundance is coming for you, Aquarius. Queen of Swords. You already know this truth that this person is going to come towards you. What is the advice? Please give me the advice. 3 of Cups. 9 of Swords. Hangman. Okay, so this person is unable to sleep at night. Okay, they're spending sleepless night here, Aquarius, without you. Okay, and this is a time where, because you reap this, you were flowering. Can you see how this girl is watering this tree? Now it's time for you to reap the rewards, and you're single, you are happy, you are abundant, you are enjoying your singlehood, Aquarius. Okay, and you are going to create abundance of everything with this person. 10 of Pentacles. You already know this truth that this person is going to come towards you. Queen of Swords. Right now they are spending sleepless nights and they're feeling like an hangman. Okay, see, Hangman and 9 of Swords. But the new happy beginnings are coming for you. This is the Sun. The Sun is coming, Aquarius, for you. Okay, this is new happy beginnings. And this is very beautiful energy. Okay, the Sun is coming for you, definitely. From my 3 decks, I'm getting the Sun for you. Can you see? The Sun is there. Wow. What else you want? Bottom of the deck, I'm having High Priestess, 8 of Wands, the King of Wands, the Empress, and the Emperor. Okay. So you're going to use their intuition here. Okay. Any other advice for the Aquarius? Wow. Wow, it also wants to come out. Queen of Pentacles. You're dealing with your divine counterpart. King of Pentacles and the Queen of Pentacles both are here again. You both are, someone who is financially stable, grounded. 10 of Cups, Ace of Wands. Can you see Ace of Cups? Ace of Cups is also there from all my deck. All 3 cups. All 3 decks. The Ace of Cups is here. They want to give you emotional fulfillment. They love you. They love you a lot. Okay. So that's what I'm having here for you, Aquarius. I hope I help you out in some manner. Thank you for giving the guidance for Aquarius. Okay. So this was your extended love reading. I hope it will help you out in some manner. Sending you lots of love, healing light, and beautiful energies to my Aquarius, whoever is watching this video. Okay. If you want to tell me anything, you can let me know in the comment section. Okay. Take care of yourself and see you soon.